So it's the time of the year again when the Maverick presents what I think was the best sporting moments of 2018. And of course, the worst sporting moments of 2018 locally and internationally. And there were lots of ups and downs in the world of sports in 2018. So obviously, we can't mention everything. So we're going to narrow it down to a top three, starting with the worst moments. So here we go, in order 1 to 3. And at number 3, the third worst sporting moment of 2018 was Usain Bolt seriously trying to play football. That was the Mavericks' third worst moment in sports for 2018. Try something else, big boss. The football thing not gonna work. And now, the Mavericks' second worst sporting moment for 2018 was she's a man-eater, breaking loose from the starting gates before the start of the Diamond Mile. Although people still in shock. But hey, from the Mavericks' perspective, the worst sporting moment of 2018 was Brazil getting knocked out of the World Cup by Belgium. Oh, Brazil give away the World Cup again. And no, we don't know what happened against Belgium. So there you have it. The Mavericks' top 3 worst sporting moments for 2018. Coming up in part 2 tomorrow. The Mavericks' best 3 sporting moments of the year. Stay tuned.